Otep, Otep, Otep. Bon soleil, good morning. Love and light with Mother Earth. Love and light with the seawater. Jeudi, c'est samedi morning. Jeudi, c'est samedi matin. The day of Gaia, the day of Ezili and the Hayti, Boya, Kiskeya, Vodou Spirituality Culture Day. I take the opportunity today and a beautiful Sunday morning. The beach and the Cove Road Beach in Stamford, Connecticut. My plan was last week. My plan was to come to the Seawater to bring my gift, to bring flowers to the Mother Earth, Gaia, the Seawater at the Cove Island Beach, to give honor, to say thank you for what Mother Earth did for us and what she's Mother Gaia doing for us. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. The wind is smooth. The water is so quiet. I can feel the energy of the water. I can feel the sounds of the water. I can feel the sounds of the air. Beautiful ground dress I have on, that a multiple dimensional color. I'm enjoying taking that video by the Seawater today, after I give my honor, respect and gratitude to the water and bring her the flowers. As you can see, the geese, they are much we receive from Mother Earth, how much nature allow us to enjoy the beauty of our experience in this planet. We are here to enjoy life, to sharing with one another. We are here to love one another, to show respect in this planet called Mother Gaia and that cosmic earth, which is the only planet human being can be living on to enjoy life, which we able to have free choice. That's the only planet, Earth, Mother Earth, Gaia, that beautiful planet that allow us to make free choice, to have free choice to do what we're supposed to be doing in this earth, with no exception, except honor one another, respect one another, love one another, sharing with one another, including the animal, the water, the trees, the earth, the dry ground earth, the sand, the flowers, the plants, everything that has life. Sadly, mankind still living in a barbaric age. They're still living in that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful planet. And they don't know how to create peace for themselves, for all their loved ones, for their friends and family, for all the race that all over the planet. What we're supposed to be sharing everything with. Our earth has choices. We have choice to make it beautiful, to live in harmony with everybody, with everything that has life. The walk we sitting on, the beach we stand on, the sand we walking on with our shoes. It is energy. Everything vibrates. Everything has energy. For those of you that don't know, I'm telling you now, you must show respect. Even the chair, the love seat you have inside your house has energy. For some of you that don't know. Today, I'm so thankful. I'm very thankful. I work 5 days a week. Actually, I work 6 days a week because I work on Sunday. The only day I have is Saturday. Saturday to take some time to reconnect with nature. It's so beautiful. It's amazing. It's beautiful when I create that opportunity to reconnect myself back with the tree, the plant, the animal, the sweet water, the salt water, everything that has life is beautiful. It's beautiful to do that. And I'm very thankful. Today, that's the third video I did that connect with nature. This is the third video. So this one is gonna be more special because that one right at the middle. I'm not at the middle of the sea, but there is an area where I can stand. You can see the Welcome video right now. This is the area where I can stand to make that video. This is that area right there. This is where am I. And the water is very calm. And soon it's gonna be the summer start. People gonna start coming to the beach, enjoy the weather. I can see 2 people so far. The eagles are talking, and the geese are in the water, the ducks in the water. But I can see the animals enjoying themselves as well by them swimming back and forth. I bought them some fruit because I'm trying not to give them dry bread. I bought them some fruit. So as soon as I'm done with the video, the sun is getting right. The sun is rising up. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the water. Has the water connect with my body because it's still clean, it's beautiful, it's calm. Nobody on it yet, but soon it's gonna have people on it. It seems to be a beautiful, 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 beautiful morning. Some folks start walking on it, start walking in the water, but start walking by the beach. But if the weather continue to rise up, the sun shiny like that, people gonna start coming in to be on it. So it's so beautiful. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I give honor to Mother Earth, honor and respect and gratitude to Mother Earth. Love and light, love and light, love and light, love and light. I love you. I'm in love with nature. I'm in love with Mother Gaia. I'm in love with every species, animal, water, plant, fruit, everything. We give thank you. And I give thank you for the power, energy, the spirit that connect with that water. And the Ifa culture, we call it Yemaja. Maya connect with the seawater, the Mother Earth. And Haiti and the Vodou culture, we call it Agwe. That's the king for the seawater. And we also, as a spirit, a energy, we call La Sirena. La Sirena. This is another energy that connect in our Vodou culture, Haiti, Boya, Kiskeya. That's another name we connect with. We also have, please, yet multiple name. And another name we also call in the Vodou culture and the energy that dealing with the cool energy, like we call it Rada, that the energy that dealing with more and with water. So that will be Ezili Freda. She's a powerful energy. That's the energy that connect with water. And besides Ezili Freda, we have multiple. We have one Ezili that also a part of water. I give thank you and honor to that beautiful day. Honor and respect to that beautiful day this morning that give me the opportunity to do that. Love and light to that video. Love and light. Wow, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's a very beautiful water. Water so calm and quiet. I hope you guys can hear the sounds of the video when I upload it. Thank you. For those of you who don't know who you are, please learn yourself, connect with yourself. I give honor and thank you to my ancestors worldwide, to my indigenous ancestors worldwide, especially in Haiti. I give love and honor to them, respect to them worldwide. And yesterday was our flag day, which is our indigenous flag, black and red. That's our indigenous, indigenous people connect with earth, connect with nature. So they connect with. That's what our indigenous people connect with. Always about nature. I give thank you for that. Love and light for that. So, and for those of you Haitian people who don't respect your flag because of your consciousness that getting so low, you don't know who you are. You don't know what your culture is. You worship a flag. The flag is a symbol. The flag is a spiritual symbol. Sadly, you celebrate that flag in the 18th of May, but that's not the flag day. Our flag day is the 20th of May, especially the day falling on the Minis Azaka Kuze Mede, or agriculture spiritual energy. So that was a powerful video. That was a powerful day. That was a powerful energy, astrology that fallen in that day in Minis Azaka, that and our flag day, which is black and red. That is our ancestors, okay? Which is our ancestor, our ancestor. We call it Tainos, but in the United States, they call it Indian. I'm talking about the original Indian, not those that look like nothing to do with our ancestors. These are our payoff Indian. These are the $5 Indian that claim or culture that claim or heritage that claim or value worldwide. They will never be us. They may be a part of us. They have it. They are a part of us, but the original land, the original people, that indigenous people, has nothing to do with these folks you see that have casino all over the world, that play in casino all over the world, that walking around claim themselves as the Indian. The Indian indigenous people or take care, okay, broad nose, different size, height, and width, has nothing to do with these folks you see all over the world. You see, especially in the United States, that claim themselves to be Indian. They're not Indian. They're not the indigenous people. It is our ancestor that worldwide that were the indigenous Indian, especially those that claim themselves, those that was here and L'Amérique, Toto Island, and Haiti. Haiti alone, we have 5 Kasika. Haiti alone, we have 5 different tribes in Haiti. That's our ancestors, where our ancestors are. We have 5 different ones. Yeah. I'm a part of it because Fali Leogan and Benet Côte de Fer, Jacques Mel, and the Cedars, the Grand Cedars. So that's where I'm from. That's where my ancestor, that's where I was born. So nature allowed me, or Mother Earth allowed me to born in that bloodline and that powerful energy of Haiti for a reason, for me, eventually, to brought me back here to the land where my bloodline is, in L'Amérique, not United States, L'Amérique, okay, Toto Island, original name for America, before England come in here, stole it from our ancestor, before people from all over the world come here claiming this land for themselves. United States, this is our land. I mean America, L'Amérique, this is your land. United States is a corporation. United States, it is a corporation that come and stolen everything, kicking you out of your land with the military force and then taking this land for themselves. And now that benefits from it, including every other people that coming from all over the world, coming here, benefits from it. And as you can see, the original people are suffering because they claim, they told us we are from Africa. Africa has nothing. Africa is a baby name that was created by another European. Africa has nothing to do with our indigenous people here. Okay? If you know your history, learn about King James in England, even Europe, that's our ancestors. That was our ancestor now. I'm not talking about the modern Europe now. I'm talking about the original Europe where a black land, or black people, original people, tall, short, broad nose, thick hair, thick lips, beautiful people. Okay? This is the one I'm talking about. These are the people I'm talking about. I'm talking about our ancestors. Worldwide. If I can get the sky, that would be nice. So I give honor to all of them. I give honor to my flag, Haiti, the beautiful flag. I give honor to it. That's another way. I'll give thank you to uh, to our spirituality, indigenous flag, black and red, not blue, not the light blue we see today in Haiti. Asian people worship, following up. That's what you see, Asian people upside down. They don't know who they are. They lose themselves. They lost everywhere they go on the wall. They've been tortured by everybody, especially in Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic so racist. Dominican government so racist toward Asian people. Even they the one who's hurting our people by sending military weapon to chase these people out of their land. They do that by design, including United States that selling weapon to young thug, young criminal, young children who supposed to be in school, or young kids that's supposed to be in school. But guess what? They're in Haiti right now. They're in Haiti. They turn themselves to gangs, smoking crack, okay, get junk, carry military weapon. And United States banned Haiti to buy military weapon. You telling me United States don't know how the weapon get to Haiti? Yes, they do. It's a giant business. United States knows how the weapon get to Haiti to murdering our Asian people, to murdering us that outside the Haiti. We are here in L'Amérique. We have family back home. We will love to go back home to connect with our ancestors. We will love to go back home during holidays. We will love to go back home to create businesses to help our people rebuild, but we can't because of insecurity. No security. The instruction is bad. There is no electricity there, and all happened by design because they can sell the solar panel now. They can sell the generator for money. All of those businesses belong to outsider. So I send a lot of love to Haiti, a lot of light and love to my people worldwide that suffering all over the world. United States, as you know, you remember what happened in Texas. In Texas, what United States do to Haiti. To this day, even from earthquake, from cholera, from uh, hurricane, all type of hurricane, United States don't care. They don't care. They are a part of destroying Haiti. That's what they want. They want to destroy Haiti. So, and they turn around. Even our people try to risk their life to escape for their safety, to escape for humanity. But United States still ship them back to Haiti. And then you see them, they welcome all the Ukraine, they welcome everybody, all the Mexican, they welcome everyone anywhere in the world. They welcome the Indian, they welcome the English every day with no problem. They welcome the Palestinian, everybody worldwide welcome to come to United States by boat. They welcome the Chinese, they welcome everybody except Asian people. Asian people being tortured by everybody in this planet. But it's not gonna stay like that. It's gonna change. It's gonna change. Mama Earth is here to help us. Mama Earth is here. Mama Earth say, I hear you crying. I heard you, Asian people. You crying all over the world. I heard you. People hurting you all over the world. But it's not gonna be forever. You're gonna be free, baby. I'm gonna free you, child. But one thing you're gonna have to do for me, go back home. Reconnect with yourself. One thing you gotta do. Return back to yourself. Return back to your spirituality. You. Not the one our ancestors create. Because every religion you see on this planet created by your ancestor. Even the Roman Catholic. Everything. Even you see them, they take it, turn it as business. Everything created by us. Okay? Our ancient book, Utopia. The book you see them writing today, putting the lines on it, they can torture in people. They can torture and make people say you have to be suffering on this earth. Your heaven is going to be when you die. They're the one who added in the book. That's not what our ancestors wrote. That's not what our ancestors wrote. So I give honor and respect to every life. I give honor and respect, and I love every life, everybody, every race, every culture. We are here to do a journey. We are here to get our work done. And if we don't get our work done, we're gonna reincarnate right back in. Learn how to love yourself first. Love one another. Love people. Love them. Help those that in need. Those that in the need. When you see them in the need, don't. When you see them in the need, don't knock them out. Don't step over them when you see them. They need help. Don't do it. Don't step over them. Help them when they need help. Help them when they need help. Some of them, they don't even have to tell you they need help. You don't have a lot. You don't have to have a lot to help those that need help. You don't. You don't have to have a lot. You can help. You can try the best you can to help those. To help those that are in need. I'm not saying you have to let people taking advantage of you. But you can help those. But when you help with all your heart, all your mind, all your soul, with all that created that's inside of you. You don't help people for you to expect anything back. And when you help somebody on this planet, it's gonna be your children that's going to be benefits for it. If you don't have children, your friend next door, your neighborhood, somebody going to be benefits from that, because somebody going to be return that to the person that that you are helping. Okay, don't expect return from someone you help them. Anybody, any race, doesn't matter what language they speak. Anybody. Okay, and stop being racist. Stop being seeking people because they don't look like you. We're not supposed to look like each other. This is a part of our species. We all come in different race. We all born in different race just to have experience. All of us born in different race, different language, different culture, different spirituality. That's for the purpose of Mother Gaia in this planet, of our sun, a beautiful sun, of Father's Son in this planet. We all create of a cosmic. We all come in here to have experience, and we all born to different species, including the flowers, the ant, the animal. We all a part of it. I see mankind just love only the dog more than any other animal. No, not just the animal, not just the dog. The closest animal to mankind is the dog and a cat, but it's not just them. We rebirth to every single animal, every single species in this planet, including the water, okay, before we can gradually, okay, take the energy of human being, which is in other form of earth, that be able to walking around, that be able to do everything, having 2 hands, 2 legs, having 2 hands, 2 legs, having what else? Having mouth, having taste, have feeling. We are earth that walking around. That's what you be careful what you say to the earth. You be careful what you send to the earth. Everything you send to the earth affect Mother Gaia or Mother, affect the sun, affect the air, affect the earth, affect the fire, because we have all these 4 elements inside of us. Love and light. Learn to love yourself first. You cannot love yourself and still you love and able for you to love somebody else. You can't. You can't. I'm so thankful. Every day I'm learning. I'm in school and we are in college. We are in university. Not mankind university, the earth. That planet where we are. We are in the planet to learn. We are in the planet to learn in university. You cannot skip from first grade to second grade and still you pass second grade. Just to let you know. You can't. You can't. If we don't do the best we can to pass all our class here, to graduate to a higher dimension, we're gonna keep recycle here over and over, and still we get in it, and still we pass all our class to move forward. Okay, the same way we are here in America, we have different states. The same way the planet. I'm gonna give an example where we are here in America. We all have different states. I think we have 52 or 53 states. Okay? The same way you have to be flying to an airplane or take a train or drive into another state. It's the same way with our earth school here. You cannot get up and just think you're going to be another higher level without you working on it. You can't. You can't. You cannot move in forward and your higher consciousness and still you move from your lower consciousness. And when you look in mankind in this planet, they are in lower consciousness. They're still in a lower consciousness. But Mother Earth is the energy. Mother Gaia has to do what she's supposed to be doing. So some of us gonna left behind. Some of us not gonna be able to move forward with the energy that already here, the light energy, the new earth, the powerful new earth that's here. Some of us gonna have to stay in the low consciousness, gonna be in the old energy, that's the old earth, the new energy, we might still, some of us still around you, but we're not in the same planet with you. Just to let you know. We are moving forward. We've been moving forward. And every day we upgrade it every day. So if you as a being that in a spirituality level, so you have to know this. You have to know the change in the planet and worldwide. You have to know what's going on. If you're not connected with Mother Earth, always send a signal, tell us what's coming. The same way the animal connect with the earth. When they know it's going to be rain, they walk away. When they know it's going to be cold, they move in the area where they be able to survive the cold. So they know when they're in danger with other animal that's going to be eating them, they run away. So if you don't know that, so something wrong. Something is wrong. You have to be able to know the change in our new earth, new heaven, new earth. Heaven and earth is right here. It's not in a cloud up there, what the religious pastor, minister, priest, okay, been telling you. It's not. We are here. We're going to be graduate in different dimensions. Some of us gonna take thought. Some of us gonna be descend. Some of us gonna not taking that physical body anymore to get the work done. And I give thank you to my Lemurian parents, my Starseed parents, my pre-alien parents. I give thank you to them. I give thank you to my soul, to my creator, to my spirit. I'm not by myself. I never alone. I never by myself. For some of you that always say, I'm alone, I'm by, no, you don't. You're never alone because you don't know who you are. You're never alone. Never alone. You're never alone. Okay? Never. You always. You're more than three. Remember, you have an angel. I call it angel, but not the angel with wings. The angel, the energy, the spirit. You're born on the planet. If you're born like Gemini, like me, so you're born under the energy that with the twins frame that you're born with, so that, as for we know, Gemini, that's the twins we know in that calendar. So it's higher than that, it's more information to that, but I'll just give you a little, you're never alone. And some of us, we connect to our mother. We connect to our mother. That doesn't mean is your mother. You might be, your mother can give birth to her own sister, her own grandmother, her own husband, her own children, but that doesn't mean, or children choosing what body to be reincarnated on. They choose to reincarnate back here, recycle back here to learn. You're here in school. You're on the school earth to learn, not to be eat, get heavy, okay, losing your consciousness, getting married, having 5, 2, 3 children, building